Hey everybody, welcome back to GrandpaMark's Hobbies and the finale of the 67 Chevelle Pro Street. What a great car. This son of a gun just about fell together. I did have problems with paint that everybody knows about, but I think 99% of that was me and the paint. So it is what it is. I think it came out really good after everything. But man, this kit is nice. I would have never thought to build this kit. You know, I've seen it before. Chad shot this to me and said, hey, see what you can do with it. And man, I had a blast. I mean, I got as much out of this kit as I could get, and then some. So I'm happy with the way that parachute came out in the back. I'll be more happy. There we go. I'll be more happy if it focused. And now the interior, I'll put a couple of pictures up here in the montage of the interior. The engine, look at how sweet those carbs look sticking out of there. I mean, we had a blast with that. I'm not kidding around. Let me pull the hood off of here. Sorry, Duke, you're gonna have to move. Let me get the hood off, and we'll take a final look at this engine. Because Jeepers Creepers, man, what a nice engine. I mean, if you did nothing to it, it would be perfect. And then I just went and saw how much detail I could put in there. And now that I did, seriously, I'm gonna have to do that with everything I do. Just because, you know, why go backwards? A lot of the troubles I have with models is the glass. And you know what? This one, the glass fit in there perfect. The body went onto the chassis just sweet. I mean, it laid down flat. So let me fire up some music, and I'll show you some pictures of this bad boy before I put it up on the shelf. But I have to thank everybody for all the great support and help and talking me through all the problems I had with the paint and just being there. We had some fun. I had a ball. So anyhow, let's get to the music.